Are you in the Norwex Obsessed Club? If so, I need your help. Okay. Here is the deal. Norwex is only in 4% of homes, and that's just not going to work because you know what that means? 96% of homes don't yet have the Norwex products. And if you have Norwex already, you know how game-changing it is. You know how much time it has saved you on your cleaning. Hello, that's amazing. How much money it has saved you. I know at the Echo House, we have literally saved thousands of dollars over the past 17 years of not needing to buy paper towels, disinfectant wipes, glass cleaner, granite cleaner, counter cleaner, stove cleaner, all the things that Norwex just wiped off our grocery budget. So if you love these products and you agree with me that more people need to know about them, they make the world a better place. This is your month that I just want to invite you to join me in this mission. And you can actually open your very own consultant account this month in May 2026 for free. And with this free starter kit, you get the Enviro cloth. That's our everything cloth you clean with just water, silver embedded, all the magic. Not magic, it's really science, but it feels like magic. And its best friend, the window cloth. Okay. So these are going to be in the gray and the purple color set. And you literally just pay $10 shipping to get it to you. That is it. And risk-free, you have yourself a consultant account. You get full consultant privileges, exactly like what I have. And you get to enjoy purchasing your own products at your consultant pricing, which is also super awesome. Now, a couple of things I want to share with you is when people come on board, I always encourage them, like, how do you want to party? Do you want to, when I built my business, Facebook online wasn't really quite a thing yet because I've been doing it 17 years. And so I really did build my business mostly in person. And then there was a season of my business where I went exclusively to online demos. And then now I run more of a hybrid business. I'm more in on the in-person, but I also do some online. And I love that because I've shown that you can be successful whichever way you choose to run in that. Okay. So decide if if you love the products and you're with me that these need to be in more homes. B, if you're not opposed to earning some added income. And C, if you find yourself probably already saying to people, oh my goodness, you need Norwex. This is your month. You literally can try it for completely free. Now, there's a really cool thing. Norwex is insanely generous. They're insanely generous to our hosts, which makes my job as a consultant super fun. I get to feel like Santa Claus like whenever someone hosts a party, I get to bless my host with so much for free and it's company funded. It doesn't come off my 35% earnings, which amazing. But they also have this getting started program called the Bright Start. And with it, you can earn the full kitchen essentials, which is in the catalog. Amazing. I love these products. This dishwasher soap, enzyme based, works amazing. The dishwashing soap that you spray on your dishes, enzymes, like it literally goes to work just eating up the dried on egg or, whatever it is, it's stuck on. And then, of course, the counter cloths are your paper towel replacements, the kitchen cloth and towel set, the netted dishcloth. So with just your first 500 in sales in your first 15 days, you earn that completely free. Free shipping, the whole shebang. You just have to go in and have it shipped to you. Then when you submit 1,000 in your first 30 days, so that's two average, well, it's below two average Norwex parties, but let's just say it's two average parties. You earn the bathroom essentials, toilet brush, the bathroom scrub mitt, all the things. But in May, there's something amazing happening. You can earn the full mop system with the blue and green handle with meeting step 2. Okay. So you're going to get that full mop system with step 2 when you earn it, when you join in May. Okay. So not only can you join for free, you can also earn that mop for free. And then when you submit your 1,500 in 45 days, you also earn the laundry essentials package, which for detoxing our body, I really feel like laundry is probably one of the biggest things. And I honestly didn't think about this. I started more thinking about the food I was putting in my body, but I was not thinking about the fact that most of us wear clothes all day long, unless you're like a nudist somewhere. This is probably going to apply. And we literally soak in those chemicals into our skin if we're using potentially harmful laundry products. So I love this package. The stain remover, people come back again and again and again for that stuff. Actually, it's just people love it. I dilute mine in a spray bottle, so it goes even further. The laundry soap's phenomenal. The dusting wand, so you can get down in that dryer vent area and in the area like that, and of course, dryer balls. Okay, full disclosure, I love that you can join for free because if you're sitting on the fence, this is your month, like free, favorite price, right? Like that works. But I will be honest, my favorite kit is actually the standard starter kit. And I don't think it would be fair to you if I didn't tell you about this. So I joined with a standard starter kit 17 years ago, earned it completely free, and I'm going to share with you how you can still do that now. I love that Norwex does it. It comes with the everything cloth in this beautiful blue and this mountain range. Let's turn them so they look like mountains. Window cloth. And then the dust mitt. Where did I put that dust mitt? It's here. Of course, this is going to replace your dusting spray. You just literally dust with this. It's so amazing. The rubber brush, which is also helpful to get the dust off your mitt. And the most coveted cleaning item, I think, in our catalog is the mop system. And so this comes in the starter kit with your yellow sunny dry pad and your wet blue water wet pad. And also you get a sample of the laundry soap. It's like a little mini size, and then a little mini of the power cleaning paste, and the 3-pack of the face and body cloths. So hopefully I didn't miss anything, but it's amazing. It's well worth over 200. And just like the free kit, you just pay $10 upfront shipping for both. So whether you choose the standard or the free no risk kit, if you choose the no risk kit, you get your 2 claws, your consultant, it's done. Like that's it. You don't have, it's literally risk free. But if you choose the standard kit, still just $10 up front, and they're going to mail you this 200 kit. It's worth over that. And they're going to give you 45 days to earn it free by meeting 1,500 in personal sales in your first 45 days. So again, that's about 3 average Norwex shows. And if you're willing to give it a 3-party try, I say it's a no-brainer to still start with the standard kit. And you can still also earn that second mop, which I love having a mop for my house and then a mop for my demo kit. So I'm all about earning all the mops that I can. Now, when you get started, a lot of my team members want to get more of the products in their home right away. And so they do what I call a kit builder, and I can help you with this. Oh, and before we move into this, if you are working with a consultant, then you are going to want to get their joining link. If you are joining with me as your sponsor and mentor, first of all, I'll be so honored to get to work with you, partner with you. Then my joining link is joinwithsonya.com. That's SONYA.com. All right, so I was just going to pull up. That's what I was looking for. Okay, so I'm going to show you what a lot of my team members like to do as soon as they get their consultant account. So that they can start shopping their own store and trying out more of the products. I'm all about just immersing yourself in the full Norwex experience. So this is totally optional. At sign up, you have an opportunity to get the skincare set at a discount. You can just tack that on. I love the Norwex skincare. Best skincare I've ever used. My skin has dramatically improved since making the switch. Now, this is what I call my kit builders, and it's just helping team members know, like, how do we build out our home, Norwex, our home. These are totally optional, but if you choose, you can do this. If you do one, it puts you, you get 250 toward that 1,500 to earn all the free stuff. If you do both, then you already hit Bright Start Step 1, which is that kitchen package that I showed you. And actually, I think it's right down here at the bottom where you can earn that kitchen package for free. So that's an option, totally optional for you. But I figure when I started shopping my store because I knew that was one of the reasons I wanted to become a consultant is I wanted everything. And there was absolutely no way that everything was in my budget right then. So this allowed me to shop my own store and start enjoying all those products. Okay, couple things before we wrap. May has some super good sales because we really are celebrating and leaning into Asthma and Allergy Awareness Month because it's huge how many homes are touched by some sort of breathing issue. And the studies are showing more and more that often those breathing issues of various kinds are exacerbated by the residues, by the air pollution from room sprays and dust and stuff like that in the walls of our home. So, Asthma and Allergy Awareness Month is awesome. And we've got lots of products on sale right now in honor of celebrating. I don't know if you sell it, well, awareness. We celebrate the awareness. There is a sale on this product right now. It's called Mattress Cleaner. I could go on and on. In fact, I just did my team training call yesterday, and I did go on and on. Actually, I probably spent 15 minutes talking about why I love this product so much. Yes, it's for cleaning your mattress. It's for so much more. So if you do decide to join the team, you'll have to go watch that replay. I'll take you through all the details. But if you do not have mattress cleaner, or if you do and you need a refill, take advantage of this May special because it is an amazing special. And again, when you jump in as a consultant, you get your consultant pricing even on the sales. Like it's just amazing. Now, if you're thinking, I don't know, I'm not sure if I'm ready to, take the leap and become a consultant, but I do love Norwex. I do want to get the word out and I do want Norwex for free. Then what might be a better fit is to just host a Norwex show. So if you live near me, I'd be honored to come and do a in-person demo. We have so much fun, and you will even if you have a lot of Norwex, I promise you'll learn so much. They're so fun. Or if you live at a distance from, you can let me know. I have team members coast to coast, and so I can get you, find you someone to help you cover a party if that's what you'd like to do. Or if you'd like to do an online show, I would be happy to do that for you. And I can do that no matter where we are at. So if that's of interest, please take a minute to just text me 830-255-7570 if you'd like to book a show. If you're wanting to shop, just go on and shop. DetoxOurHomes.com is my shopping link, and that's where you can find those sales and specials that are happening this month. The pillowcases are amazing. Oh, I could just go on and on. I love our products so much. And then if you are like, nope, I'm going to just do it. I'm just going to become a consultant. Open your account, choose either the standard or the free. There's no wrong answer here. It's just your comfort level, and pay the $10 up front. And then if you're signing with me as your sponsor and your mentor, then you and I will be connecting. I'll get you plugged into our team resources, all the fun things. And yeah, my goal is to help you be wildly successful in getting the word out with me. And hey, if you're not opposed to making some money while you're at it, then my goal is to help you also meet your goals that you are wanting to meet on the financial front. All right. Thanks for watching. If you haven't, click the subscribe button, and you can go through all of my Norwex videos if you ever just want to grab a bucket of popcorn and binge watch through. I've got all of those on a playlist for you, and you literally will learn the products that way as well. Thank you so much, and God bless. We will see you soon.